Now we are going to see the new chapter, fraction. First we must know what is a fraction. Fraction definition I have written on the board. Definition: a fraction shows a part of a whole. A fraction shows a part of a whole. The whole can be region or a collection. The whole can be region or a collection. So look at this. I am going to explain the definition. A fraction shows a part of a whole. The example, it is a star. So in this star, so how many rectangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So not 5 rectangles, 5 triangles. How many triangles are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles are here. But shaded portions only 3. So this is actually the 6 triangles. It is a single star, but it is separated into 6 triangles. Then it's separated into, otherwise it is divided into 6 parts. It's divided into 6 parts. So then its shaded portion only 3 shaded portion. So that is called a fraction shows a part of a whole. So it is divided total divided part is 6. Total part is 6, but shaded portion only 3. So fraction shows a part of a whole. 3 is a part of the whole. Whole is 6 parts, but only shaded portion is how many? 3. So it shows a part of a whole. So this 6 is a whole part. So in the shaded portion is 3. So 3 by 6 of the star is red in color. So fraction shows a part of a whole. Fraction shows a part of a whole. The whole can be region or collection. The whole can be, what you're saying, the whole can be region. It is a whole means it is a single thing. It can be a region. It is a region means these are all regions. So these are called as a parts or collections. So the whole can be region or a collection. So 3 by 6 of the star is in red color. It is a single star, but it is divided into 6 parts, but only 3 portions are shaded. So fraction shows a part of a whole. From this star we understood, so fraction is a part of a whole because total parts are 6, only shaded portion is 3. 3 by 6 is red in color. Only 3 by 6, that is 3 parts of the portion. 3 portions are shaded in red color. The remaining, it is not in red color. That means entirely the total part is 6. From the 6 parts, we colored only 3 parts. That is called as a fraction. That is what they mention. Fraction shows a part of a whole. But actually it is a single star. It is only one star. So we divided. So 3 by 6, 3 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator. Generally fraction is made up of 2 numbers. One is a numerator, other one is a denominator. Fraction is made up of 2 numbers. One is a numerator, another number is a denominator. So top number is a numerator and bottom number is a denominator. That is what I mentioned. Fraction is made up of 2 numbers. That is top number, it is a what? Top number is a numerator and bottom number is a denominator. So 3 by 6, 3 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator because 3 is a top number and 6 is a bottom number. The top number is always called as a numerator and bottom number is always called as a denominator. So fraction is made up of 2 numbers. One is a numerator, other one is a denominator. So 3 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator. Top number is always called as a numerator and bottom number is always called as a denominator. So fraction is made up of 2 numbers. 3 by 6 is an example, or 4 by 5 or 2 by 7 or 5 by 8, whatever the numbers, whatever the fraction you have taken, but only fraction is made up of 2 numbers. One is a numerator, other one is a denominator. Always top number is called as a numerator and bottom number is called as a denominator. So you don't forget this concept. It's a very basic concept. And types of fraction now we are going to see. That is many types of fraction, but now we are going to see proper fraction and improper fraction and mixed fraction. Proper fraction means always numerator is less than the denominator. It is a proper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. It is a improper fraction. Next one is a mixed fraction. It is composed of, otherwise it is combined with a whole number and also a proper fraction. It is combined together, it's combined together or mixed as a mixed fraction. So it is a composed of whole number and a proper fraction. Otherwise it is combined with the whole number with the proper fraction. It is called as a mixed fraction. Now we are going to see some examples. Proper fraction. So numerator is always what? less than the denominator. So 1 by 2, 1 is a numerator and 2 is a denominator. 1 is always less than 2. 2 by 5, 2 is less than 5. 3 by 7, 3 is less than 7. 4 by 9, 4 is less than 9. And improper fraction, numerator is always greater than the denominator. So 5 divided by 5, 5 is greater than 4. 7 divided by 6, 7 is greater than 6. 8 divided by 2, that means 8 is greater than 2, and 4 divided by 3, 4 is greater than 3. So all the denominators are what? All the denominators are what? Less than the numerator. Less than the numerator. All the denominators are less than the numerator. Otherwise, we can say all the numerators are greater than the denominator. That is what? Numerator is greater than the denominator. All the numerators are greater than the denominator. It is called as an improper fraction. Mixed fraction, whole number combined with the proper fraction is called as a mixed fraction. Whole number combined with the what? Proper fraction is called as a mixed fraction. So combining, join together. That is, 1 is a whole number, 2 by 3 is a proper fraction because 2 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. That is what? Numerator is less than denominator. 2 is less than 3. So it is a proper fraction. 1, 2 by 3 and 2, 4 by 5. 2 is a whole number and 4 by 5 is a proper fraction because 4 is less than 5. And 3, 5 by 7. 3 is a whole number and 5 by 7 is a proper fraction. 5 is less than 7. 7, 6 by 8. 7 is a whole number and 6 by 8 is a proper fraction. How could you say it's a proper fraction? But 6 is less than 8. Okay, that means numerator is less than the denominator is always a proper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. It is an improper fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is nothing but what do you say? So how could you say this? That is a what is it? Is a composed of. It is a composed of what? Whole number with the proper fraction. Otherwise, we can call it as whole number combined with the proper fraction. It is called as a mixed fraction. Now we are going to see a like fraction. Like fraction, that means example 1, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So example 1. So denominators are same but numerators are different. In this particular fraction, all the denominators are same. It is a like fraction. So both denominators are same. It is called as a what? Like fraction. In this place, 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6. In this 3 fraction, there are 3 fractions given in the board. Sorry, 3 fractions are given on the board. So all the denominators are same. All the denominators are same. So it is a like fraction. So denominators are same means it is a like fraction. Not only both, even 3 or 4, whatever may be, the numbers may be vary, but denominators are same, but the numerators are different. It is a like fraction. That means denominators always same. It is a like fraction. Unlike fraction means both the denominators are different. See, look at this. Both for this, I'll tell you 5 by 7. Compare this. These are the two fractions, 3 by 5 and 2 by 7. 5 and 7, both the denominators are different. Here 4 by 6 and 5 by 8. So these two are the fraction. These two are the fractions 6 and 8. These two denominators are different. So it is a what? Unlike fractions. That means like fraction means what? Like fraction means denominators are same. Both the denominators are more than both the denominators are same. It is a like fraction. So denominators always are similar, are same. It is a like fraction. But denominators are different. And both the fractions are, how many fractions are given in the question? All the denominators are different means if the denominators are different, it is a what? Unlike fraction. So we have seen that means what are the types of fraction? There is proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction and unlike fraction. These are the types of the fraction. These are the major fractions. These are the major types of fraction we have seen. Next class we have seen different types of fraction, and also we'll do some exercises and the examples in fractions. So what is a fraction? Fraction shows a part of a whole. The whole can be a region or collection. Example, I've told you it is a single star, but it is divided into 6 parts. But it is a whole part, but only the 3 parts are shaded. That is the definition. Fraction shows a part of a whole. 3 parts are shaded in what? Red in color. and fraction is made up of two numbers. One is a numerator, other one is a denominator. The top number is a numerator and the bottom number is a denominator. So 3 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator. Always top number we can call it as numerator and bottom number we can call it as a denominator. So don't forget these rules and regulations. These are the major and important points of fraction.